Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. So first of all we need to find the clock. For instance, in the app Java you should be able to find it somewhere over at the top since it's alphabetical. And then what you need to do is, if you want to add your own alarm clock, then of course you can press this plus button over here. Also make sure that the alarm is selected over here at the bottom. So let's press this plus button, then you can choose the time. We can also see the preview that the alarm will go off in the specified amount, depending on, of course, the time. So let's say I want to set up for 7 AM. There we go. We can also choose the ringtone. We can choose to repeat it once daily from Monday to Friday, or we can go and choose custom days over here. We can also choose the vibrations. We can turn on vibrations when the alarm goes off, and we can also delete the alarm when it goes off. So if this is just a one-time only alarm, then of course you can delete it right after that. And we can also create a label for that alarm as well. Once you are done, you can press this check over here, and there we go. We have our alarm set up. Now, in addition to that, if you want, you can turn it on or off, like so. You can simply tap on the slider in order to turn on and off the alarm. And if you want to remove some alarms, then what you can do is press these three dots and go to, sorry, not settings. You can just press and hold your finger on the alarm. So ignore these previous three dots. You need to just press and hold your finger on the alarm. You can select multiple ones, and then you can press delete at the bottom, and there we go. Now I am left with only one alarm. And that's pretty much it. This is how we can set up the alarm clock. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.